Welcome back. Todd is here from D.A. Davidson, and we are talking markets. Let's start off with yesterday's strong rally.
Yeah, so we saw us 2 days in a row where we finished up. The Dow was up big, 238 points. The NASDAQ was up 115. S&P was also up. So we'd kind of followed 5 days of sell-offs. So having 2-day rally kind of felt good for a change, and it's kind of driven by both earnings and news out of D.C. and looks like we're kind of precedence is being given to the earnings numbers over what's coming out of Washington right now. So good rally and good economic numbers coming in. So we had some major companies give blowout numbers on the upside, and so of the S&P companies that have reported, 80% have beat estimates. So if that trend continues, we could continue to see some strength in the market.
And it sounds like the interest rates might have also played a role in moving the market.
It did, yeah. So earlier in the week, the 10-year Treasury had gone above 3%, which it hadn't done for a long time. The lower interest rates has forced a lot of fixed income investors into the equity market searching for a better yield than they can get. And so 3% is kind of that magic number. People begin to come out of the stock market again and go back into the fixed income market at 3%. And so the concern was, are we going to see a selling pressure in the stock market? The Central European Bank also kept rates where they are, didn't raise them, didn't lower them. So that gave confidence that our Treasury probably is going to stay in this range, maybe work a little bit lower. So those things all kind of work together to calm the Treasury market.
And last but not least, what economic news did we receive?
Well, we had durable goods came in, and that was almost double what was expected. So that was a positive. Weekly jobless numbers continue to come in lower. They expected 230,000, came in at 209,000. We have gross domestic product out any minute. That will help give direction as well. You know, we're almost at full employment, so getting big growth in the gross domestic product will be a challenge going forward. But we also, again, we have earnings out. We've got companies that announced after the closing bell yesterday. We've got companies that are announcing before the open, and so it'll be interesting to see how we settle out. It's a Friday, so anything can happen.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for talking with us this morning. We appreciate it, and we'll be back after this break.